3, 2, 1.
Wobble. Move unsteadily from side to side. His legs are wobbling with fear. The jelly on my plate wobbled when I touched it. Prick. To make a small hole or puncture with a sharp object. Be careful not to prick yourself with the needle. She pricked her finger on a needle. Latch. To fasten or close something with a latch. She latched the door before going to bed. Please latch the window. Peep. To look quickly. The children were peeping through the door. I saw someone peeping through the window. Pat. Lightly touch or stroke something. She is patting her dog on the head. Dad patted my back when I did my homework. Erect. To build, upright or straight. The workers erected a tent for the trip. Mike erected a fence around the garden. Bulk. Large quantity. We store extra items in bulk. We buy rice in bulk because it's cheaper. Sneak. To do something secretly. Did you sneak into her room while she was asleep? Tom sneaked some cigarettes out of my box. Flip. To turn over or to toss. Mike flipped the pancake in the air. She was flipping the pages of her book. Upright. Straight up or vertical. Keep the book upright on the table. It's important to sit upright while working on computer. Boast. Show off, brag. Mike boasts about his new car all the time. I don't want to boast, but I can speak 5 languages.